If you dress like a slut, you're gonna get treated like a slut. Don't expect to be treated differently. Our moral compass has gone down the drain as Africans. Ladies out here posting videos and pictures when they are half naked, with their breast either out or their butthole out, and they're still expecting to get married. Who's gonna marry a slut in the internet? It's sad to say this, na ni ukweli. Wewe na malaya mna tofauti, by the way. Malaya anauza mwili yake ndio aweze kupata pesa, alipe some bills. Na wewe unauza mwili yako in the internet so that you can get likes and views. So wewe na malaya mna tofauti. You are both selling your bodies sexually. Ladies out here lying to themselves that they are dressing to please themselves and their girlfriends. But in reality, they are dressing so that they can look attractive towards men. If you dress like a slut, you're gonna get treated like a slut. Don't expect to be treated differently. Am I clear?